Namaste sir and ma'am. My name is Sumit Kumar and I am 12-year-old and currently studying in 8th grade. I am really passionate about programming languages and I have learned several programming languages including HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Python. And I have also developed projects related to IoT, drones, AR, VR, and one of my VR project is solar system, where I developed this whole solar system using HTML framework. Like as you can see, here is our sun and many other planets. And I have also participated in a first tech challenge where I had a golden opportunity to showcase my skill, and I have also mentored 170 students to learning HTML. And I run my own startup and YouTube channel, and in my startup I offer services like web design, graphic designing, responsive design and video editing. And in my YouTube channel I aim to make learning technology easier for my peers. So I develop tutorials related to Unity, Brickling Studio, Arduino, Python and many other projects. I am looking forward to great opportunities